One of North America's most iconic birds, the bald eagle, with its brilliant white head, powerful wingspan, and piercing gaze, the bald eagle is a symbol of strength, freedom, and resilience. These birds of prey make their homes near lakes and rivers, soaring high above the treetops in search of fish, their favorite food. Bald eagles are built for life around water. Their feathers are waterproof, keeping them dry and buoyant even after a dive. And their eyes, so crucial for spotting prey from hundreds of feet up, are protected by a special clear eyelid called a nictitating membrane that sweeps across the eye like a windshield wiper. It shields their vision while diving or flying through rain, without ever blinking. Here at the Nature Center, we celebrate their remarkable comeback. Once endangered, bald eagles are now thriving again, thanks to conservation efforts and a deeper respect for the ecosystems they depend on.